Is there anybody who wants to be the two speakers?
Who wants to do the sound effects?
Alright, so,
Anthony gets 5 steps.
Man,
Here, let me get that for you.
where was the sound effect?
I wasn't prepared. Alright, so, these two guys, fellas, are gonna need a prompt, so,
I'm going to
what?
We need to be prompt.
Prompt.
Going fishing.
Going? A father-son fishing trip.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay, there we go. Wow.
Boy, howdy, Paul. We're excited to go down to.
All right, son. We're gonna head on down to the creek over here and do some fishing. Pick up your tackle box there and your fishing pole.
Oh, boy.
Oh, did you leave the cat in there again? Let him out.
I'm sorry, Paul.
All right, now come on. We gotta head on over to the creek here.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
Good thing we wore our boots. 'Cause
galoshes.
Yep, that's right now. All right, well here, let's pick up this fishing pole now, and gonna show you here how to string it up. So look around in that tackle box for some strings, fishing line.
That's my kazoo.
You damn kid playing your musical instruments while we're trying to fish.
I heard they like.
All right, well yeah, you put the line in the out and you string it up through the eyelets, there and outside down. Now you got the end of the string, right? Gonna reach in the out, get what'd you just do? Huh?
I think I just shot Grandpappy's famous world championship bow.
Oh my goodness, why'd you bring that down? We're going fishing, come on. Now yeah, take the hook out there now.
Oh, there's something on it.
Be careful, it's sharp now. Well, what's on now?
It's a small.
It's a pygmy human. Let's pull them off. They're indigenous to the region. Okay, well, I got half and you got half, I guess. So let's just toss them using this bait. We'll use them as bait. All right, now. So we got the hook. We're gonna string it through there now and do the super hitching thing. Okay. Now we take our pygmy and we just put him right down on the end of the hook. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do the best cast ever. All right. So we're gonna bring it up and then around. Okay, the number of times you go around dictates how good the cast is going to be. All right, so then we're going to whip it and let it go. I don't know, it hasn't landed yet. All right.
Oh, Paul, I got it way out there.
Yeah, you did. Look at that. There. Okay. All right, well, here it is. Well, now you wait for a bite. And it looks like we got one. All right, so get it. Okay, now we got it. The hook in his mouth. We're gonna reel it in now. Come on, keep going. And we're about to come out of the water. Here we go. It's a really loud fish. We both got a beautiful fish. It's a catfish now. All right, now.
Should I grab the bat?
Yeah, get the bat. We gotta knock him out now. Let's lay him down now. Get it like a pinata. Good, here we go. That's right. You're becoming a man now. Okay, I think it's dead. Okay, I think it's dead. All right, Junior now. Okay, yeah. Well, you gotta get my fish too now, cause Okay, good. Damn it, son, you're in on the head again. Just like your birthday now with a pinata. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, I can't even see. Well, we gotta get the fish. Put it in the box now.
What box?
Okay, we'll put it